So this video is to show you how to record your screen in FlipGrid so that you can share a Google slide or any other document that you want to share on your FlipGrid. So you're going to click on the topic, okay, and then you're going to, yours is going to have a big green plus sign, but mine's a little different since it's the teacher view. Okay, record a response. So instead of actually having the camera on selfie or front-facing mode, you're going to click on options, and then you're going to record screen, okay? And you're going to start recording. It's going to ask you what you want to record. So for me, I'm just going to do my entire screen for right now. Okay. So now that I'm in here, I'm going to go to whatever slide I want to show. This is just my example. Okay. So here we go. Looking good. All right. Xing out. Going back. Stop recording. Now that I'm in here, I'm going to go to whatever slide I want to show. Okay, so I push next. I'll take a quick selfie. Here we go. All right, maybe I'll add a hat to myself. We'll see what happens. A cool filter. Awesome. All right, next. And it's just the same as you normally would do. You could call it Mrs. Stein's presentation and submit. And we're good. And that is how you make a screen recording on FlipGrid.